Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Grab the Benefits. Today I will share you a simple homemade aloe vera mask. Aloe vera mask is an excellent remedy for sunburn. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, fresh or store both. 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. It's optional. Instructions: in a small bowl, mix together the aloe vera gel and honey until well combined. If you are using yogurt, add it to the mixture and stir well. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area. Relax for 15 to 20 minutes while the mask works its magic. Rinse with lukewarm water, then wet dry with a clean towel. Benefits: aloe vera soothes and calms sunburned skin, reducing redness and inflammation. Honey provides antibacterial properties and locks in moisture. Yogurt, if used, adds extra moisturizing power and help reduce peeling. Tips: use aloe vera gel directly from an aloe leaf for maximum potency. Apply the mask as soon as possible after sun exposure for best result. Repeat the mask 2 to 3 times a day for severe sunburn. Combine with other natural remedies like coconut oil, cucumber or oatmeal for adding benefits. Remember, always prioritize sun protection with SPF and reapply every 2 hours. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.